Prius Gen 1, 2001. So just did a recharge, only had 39 psi of vapor pressure inside of it. So going through the steps of looking for a leak and making sure it works. And we get down to 42 degrees. None of the really obvious signs on a condenser, thank God, because we all know the Prius Gen 1 condensers are fairly expensive. That's it on this one, just showing you some pressures on this beautiful little Gen 1. Body is immaculate, a little bit of fade, you know, a little overspray. As we can see, we get cold here. We got the condensation from being a nice cold air conditioning. Yeah, this is a nice little Gen 1. Only 170,000 miles. You could go for another 200,000 miles, no problem. So, and the other one, Ford Escape, customers complaining, poor cooling, poor battery performance, and it needs that air conditioning evaporator in the rear just to cool the hybrid battery. And if your AC is not working good, you get an overheated battery, you get the triangle, and your car dies and it goes on the side of the road. So we're performing that here, and I think somebody charged it up there because it had a shitload of oil in it and died. So this has been done before, and I think they used the cans of splooge. I gotta find out about that, because when I opened this up, it was pure foam and oil that came up here. And as you can see, the fitting is up high in the system. But I'll come back to this. And oh yeah, goddamn testo. Just the slightest tap when you're moving your gauges around inside your vehicle, it turns on, it stays on all the time and kills your batteries. Another testo problem. This shit can to testo 557S.